Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to answer a question here on chemistry, and the main subject matter here is question and answers. So this question goes as this: what volume of 0.4 mole sodium chloride will contain 0.585 grams of sodium chloride? Solution. Formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. The molar mass is the total mass of both elements. That's the mass number of sodium and also the mass number of chlorine. And the mass number of sodium is 23. The mass number of chlorine is 35.5. Altogether in grams, which is going to give us 58.5 grams. From there, we have mass of sodium chloride in solution is equals to 0.585 grams. That's what was given from the question. Then from there, you know that the formula for number of moles is equal to mass all over molar mass. Mass all over molar mass, and this was the mass of the sodium chloride, which is 0.585, which is this, and then the molar mass of it, which we got by adding the mass number of sodium and mass number of chlorine, which gave us 58.5. That's it here. So from there, we are going to divide 0.585 by 58.5, which is going to give us 0.01. That's the number of moles. The molarity of solution. The molarity of this solution was given as 0.4 moles from the question. Then from there again, we are going to have 0.4 mole is contain 1000 cm cube or 1 dm cube. You know that 1 dm cube is the same thing as 1000 cube, and here we are asked to look for volume. So whatever we are looking for, the unit has to be either in dm cube or centimeter cube. So from there, we are going to have here that's 0.01 mole is the same thing as 0.01 mole all over the main mole given, which is 0.4, then multiply it by 1000. So after doing that, we are going to have 25 cm cube. If you get any value from this video, like and subscribe this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I video like this, YouTube will send you notifications. See you in our next video.